Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and today we're going to talk about different traffic sources and why it's sometimes worth to pay more for some traffic sources than others. So the truth is, not all traffic is equal. A lot of people fall into this trap. They just try to minimize the cost at all costs, and then they get a lot of traffic, but the traffic is not turning into leads, it's not turning into payments, it's not turning into new customers. So in the end, they pay far more for the traffic that they're generating, but not getting any results to pay for the traffic. And payment can be you're paying for advertising. It could also be you're paying your writers to create content marketing, to create articles, to promote videos, to record this, all this time to promote this on social media. This is also time and money that you're investing. So if you're investing this into the wrong platform, or you're having the wrong content media strategy, or you're promoting your ads on the wrong websites for the wrong keywords, you might get cheap traffic and you might get a ton of free traffic, but if it's attracting the wrong audience, you're going to pay way more in the end. So you have to be really clear, who do you want to attract for your content marketing strategy, for your paid advertising campaign, and then really see how much is it worth to get one person signed up. And that should be your benchmark to measure any content marketing or advertising platform efforts against this number. How much is it worth to have a new customer? How much is it worth to make an additional sale? This is the benchmark. Not getting as much traffic as possible for cheap. Quality comes always first. And then you can think about optimizing your campaign, tweaking your headline, using different imagery, segmenting different user groups, and seeing that if you can optimize your cost per click for this specific audience that's already working, it's already generating you revenue. But don't start by optimizing for cheap first. So let me know in the comments what you think about what is the best value to pay or to invest for your marketing. Are you currently working for cheap traffic? Are you looking for results-driven traffic? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel to get more marketing videos and strategies that really work in 2019.